Welcome back to my channel for those of you who are already part of the family, and for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiara Selena, and this is my channel Nursing with Key, where I make a whole bunch of nursing related videos sharing tips and tricks that I've learned along my journey to ensure that you guys have the smoothest nursing journey. So if you're about to start your nursing journey or you just started nursing school, make sure you hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video from me again. Now, as mentioned in the title, we are going to be talking about money today. Everybody loves to talk about money, and we're going to be talking about how much money I made on my first YouTube paycheck. Now, before we get into that, there are a little bit of things that I want you guys to know for those of you who are about to start your YouTube channel. If you guys haven't seen my video on how to start your own nursing channel, make sure you click on the link above once you're done watching the video, or I will leave it in the description below so that you guys can go check that out and get started on your YouTube journey. But for those of you who have already started and you guys will want to know how to monetize your videos, we are going to go through those steps before we get into how much I made. Now, a lot of people aren't aware of this, but the algorithm has changed on YouTube, and the requirements in order for you to start monetizing your videos has recently changed, I think as of 2018, and that's when I started my channel. So before, on YouTube, you were just able to post, and as soon as you post, you were able to start making money right away. But a lot of people were using clickbait to get views, and YouTube kind of caught on to that, and so they changed the rules, and now one of the rules in order for you to be able to start monetizing your videos is you have to have 1,000 subscribers. Now, that may seem a little bit intimidating to those of you who have just started and who don't really know how YouTube works, but like I said, I will leave down in the description the link to the video on how I was able to get 10,000 subscribers within a year, well, almost 10,000 subscribers within a little bit over a year, to get you guys started and to get you guys to your 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So make sure you guys go check that out. But that is one of the requirements that you need in order to be able to start making money on YouTube. The second requirement is to have 4,000 watch hours, I believe, in a span of 12 months. So you have to hit your 4,000 watch hours in 12 months before you can start making money. Now, the last thing I'm going to say, and I know that you guys have heard this before and it's a little bit discouraging and frustrating, but if you are starting YouTube because you think that this is going to be, you want to go full time and you're going to start making all this money on YouTube, that is not the case. Like, it's really not the case. I know that some people blow up and they start making all this money on YouTube, but for the most part, you're not gonna start making thousands and thousands of dollars on YouTube every month, which is gonna allow you to quit your job and just travel the world. So if you are starting YouTube because you think that you're just gonna go viral and blow up and whatever, I don't want to crush your dreams or anything. Still try. I mean, who knows? You may be the next lucky person who's gonna go viral and get all these subscribers. But for the most part, that is not the case. You are not gonna become a millionaire off of YouTube. You are not gonna start making tens and thousands of dollars from YouTube right away. There's a lot of work that is required, a lot of time that is required, and if you want your YouTube channel to work out, you have to be passionate about whatever it is that you're talking about. So me personally, I love nursing. I started my channel to help nursing students out because I made mistakes. I didn't want other people to make those same mistakes, and I wanted to kind of help everybody, like I say in my intro, have the smoothest nursing journey. And getting feedback from others and seeing my channel grow is kind of what gave me the drive to continue making YouTube videos, but the money didn't come right away. Well, not that I knew of, and now we're gonna get into the story of how I made the money on YouTube. So I started my YouTube channel in, I believe, March of 2018. That's when I decided, all right, I've been in nursing school for a while now. I think I can help others a little bit, and I'm gonna go for it. So I started making my YouTube videos, and my channel was growing quite fast. I think in 2 weeks, I had my first 100 subscribers, and within, I think, a month or so, or 2 months, I had 1,000 subscribers. So I grew pretty fast, and seeing my channel grow that fast is kind of, like I said, what gave me the drive to continue making my YouTube videos. Now, I knew what the requirements were to, monetize my videos, and I monetized my videos because I got to the 1,000 subscribers quite fast, and I got to my 4,000 watch hours, I think, 3 or 4 months into my YouTube channel. I got to my 4,000 watch hours, but the thing was, I never went back to actually verify my account information. So I was able to monetize my videos, and all my videos were monetized, but I never registered my card. So one day, which was actually recently, I think it was about a month ago or a month and a half ago, something popped in my head. I think I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw a video on like how to make money on YouTube or something about Google AdSense. And I had, it was crazy because I put up that I wanted to make $2,000. It was a random number that I picked out. I said I wanted to make $2,000 off of Google AdSense, and I had put that on my vision board. And I had it on my vision board, and I didn't really think anything of it. If you guys want a manifestation video, let me know, because I've been manifesting like crazy, thank the universe. But I put that up on my vision board, and I kind of just forgot about it. I did a 33-3. For those of you who don't know, it's scripting. 33 scripting what you want 33 times for 3 days, and then you forget about it and you let the universe do its magic. So I did a 33-3. I put it on my vision board, and I kind of forgot about it. And then one day, like I said, I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw a video pop up about Google AdSense, and I was like, hey, you know what? I should go on my Google AdSense and see what the hell is going on, because I've been on YouTube for about a year now. I know that I hit those marks, and I didn't know how much money I made. I mean, I would see like monthly, every month I could see on my YouTube app how much money I made, but I was like, I know I've been over $100, because the threshold is $100 before you can get paid, and I knew I was above the threshold, but I never received the money. And I was like, wait, how come my check didn't come in yet? I should have gotten my check. So I went on Google AdSense, and there it was. And I was shook. I saw $1,892 pending on Google AdSense. And I freaked out. And I was like, wait, this cannot be right. This can't be right. So here I am going through my reports, looking at everything. And I'm like, wait, hold on. I actually made $1,892 and I think 16 cents. I'm gonna put it up here so that you guys can see that I am not lying. So I was like, all right, why didn't I get this money yet? So I realized that I had never registered my card. They had my address, which I don't know why they didn't send the check. I don't know if they're sending checks or not, and maybe they're not sending checks anymore, but I don't know why I didn't receive my check, because they had my address and everything else that they needed in order to send me the check, but they just didn't. And it was weird, but I'm happy at the same time because it happened at the right time. Like I said, I put that I wanted $2,000 on from Google AdSense on my vision board, and here I was, at $1,892. So I registered my account information. There's a 2-step verification, I think. I think they put a couple cents in your account, and then you have to go back and you have to put the amount of money that was deposited into your account, and it has to match whatever that they have on their side. And once that is done, you're good to go. So I was expecting, I think this was like August 4th no, this wasn't August 4th. I lied. I think this was like July 4th or something. The first week of July or second week of July. And I was supposed to get paid, from what I know, you're supposed to get paid the 21st of every month. So I was expecting to get that money, on the 21st. So I went to sleep one night, woke up, nothing had changed in my account. And then the next day, I was checking my account for something. And then boom, I'm like, wait, this is not how much money I had in my account. And then I realized there's an extra $2,000 in my account. Where did it come from? And there it was. I saw $1,892 from Google AdSense was deposited into my account, and I was so freaking happy. I just want to make something clear to you guys. And this goes back to the point that I made before. If you guys are starting YouTube just to make money, it's not gonna work out. I put that on my vision board a year into YouTube, and I knew I was well over my threshold and it was possible for me to make that money. But I didn't start YouTube with the intentions of making money. I started my YouTube channel with the intentions of helping others. And that money wasn't money that I made in 1 month. It was money accumulated over the months that I was on YouTube. And I was not checking my Google AdSense balance, because like I said, I wasn't really in it for the money. It was just something that popped up in my mind randomly one day, and that was the amount of money that was accumulated over the year. But I think the first month, the first paycheck I made was like $180 $180 or $150. I'm gonna post it so that you guys can see if I can find it. But that was the money that was accumulated over the years. Not over the year, over the year that I was on YouTube. So that was $2,000 that I made within a year. And I got the big lump sum because it was just sitting there in my Google AdSense account, growing and growing and growing. And I had absolutely no idea. And that's how much the total came up to. So guys, it is possible for you to make money on YouTube. And think about it, even if you're making $100, like $100 isn't money you're gonna retire from, right? You're not gonna quit your job from $100, but there is money to be made. I mean, I'm doing affiliate marketing. I started my own brand, which I will share with you guys very, very soon. There's one more product that I have to finish up and launch before I share it with you guys, but it is out there. It is, you know, out there in the world, and it's making money. So I'm making money from my own brand, from affiliate marketing, from drop shipping, from YouTube and Google AdSense. So there's a lot of money to be made once you start growing on YouTube. There's a lot of opportunities for you. Like, you know, for example, affiliate marketing. If you want this ring light that I'm using, you guys have noticed that my videos have been a lot brighter. If you guys are interested in getting the ring light that I'm using, click on my affiliate link down below. It'll redirect you to the Amazon page where you can get this ring light. And if you guys get it, if you guys buy it, I make a commission off of that. So affiliate marketing is a great way to make money. A lot of ways to make money, but Google AdSense or YouTube isn't what's going to, you know, make you retire. It's using all these other strategies together that's gonna help you guys out. But even if you're making an extra $100 a month, think about it. That is 100 passive dollars that you didn't really have to do much work for. Although YouTube does require work, it's work that you enjoy. And when you are getting paid for doing things that you enjoy as opposed to like going to work just because you have to, it's an awesome feeling, you know, waking up and seeing an extra $600-700 in your account because you posted videos. Making videos is fun. So anyway, I don't want to ramble off too much and make this video too long, but that is how much I made my first YouTube check. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss another video from me again. I will be posting more videos on how to grow your YouTube channel and, you know, how I make money different ways using social media and stuff like that, so you guys can start making coins real fast, because you don't even have to, even if you don't make money off of YouTube, there's other things you can make money off of in the meantime, like affiliate marketing, which I will talk about in another video. If you guys want to see those videos, make sure you leave a comment down below. But like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye.